So you want to learn how to become a social media manager. I'm a social media manager specializing in TikTok, and I've helped multiple clients grow and get sales online. The first lesson that you need to know is do not be lazy. You have time to go on Netflix, to go on your phone, binge watch, binge eat, but you're not making time to actually put in the work for your own self-growth, for your own journey here in SMM. And the reason for that is because you are lazy. You can never be lazy. You're not gonna achieve your goals, you're not gonna make money if you are lazy. Number 2 is you have to be selfish. You keep lending money, you keep saying yes to parties, you keep saying yes to going out, you keep saying yes on doing people's favors. And the reason for that is because you are a people pleaser. And I know that because I am a retired people pleaser. If I keep on pleasing everyone else except myself, then I'm prioritizing them. I'm putting my energy onto them. You need to prioritize yourself. You have to be selfish sometimes to actually achieve your goals. Being selfish does not mean that you don't care about other people. It's just that you are prioritizing your own goals. So don't be afraid to be selfish. If you got to this point of the video, I want you to comment "It's my turn" to claim that you'll be a successful social media manager. 3 is pay money to actually make more money. If you have some extra money or even savings, I suggest to actually invest in mentors, in courses, and don't let people fool you that these courses and mentors are just like a scam, they're fake. These courses and mentors are actually the reason why I grew a lot in a span of like a year. Just doing this, even just in a month. It's because of the courses and the mentors that actually taught me this. I would have never gotten the results, the money, the income. Whatever I've achieved, I would have never gotten it if it was not because of the mentors and courses that I bought and I invested on. You have to keep it in your head that every successful person actually has a mentor. They're paying for a mentor, they're learning a course because again, knowledge is power. Being self-taught is possible and it is good, but it can only take you so far. So investing in people who has more experience and expertise than you can actually help you get to your goal faster. Number 4 is build healthy habits. You know when you wake up and then you scroll on your phone and then you realize that you've been scrolling on your phone for at least an hour already? That is a bad habit. If you want to become productive in the morning, if you want to get things done, if you want to get your shit together, if you want to achieve your goals, get your dream income, get your dream life, then you need to build healthy habits. One thing that I try to do every morning is I try to avoid using my phone and I read a book and make sure that I fix my bed. Because once my bed is fixed and once I'm reading a book, I feel more productive. Just using my phone in the morning really kills the mood, like for the whole day. It makes me want to stay in bed, rot in bed, and just use my phone for the next 5 hours. So try to build healthy habits. One book recommendation that I want you to actually read that really helped me is Atomic Habits. I've recommended this to so much friends already. This book really changes lives. Number 5, do not rush. Once you've actually get sucked into the industry, even as a beginner, you'll realize that there are a lot of people getting 6-figure deals, getting 100,000 pesos, getting so much clients, and it actually becomes really easy to compare your journey to someone else's because everything is just online. And sometimes you actually pressure yourself and you make things go faster, and when you do that, it actually leads you to burning out. Once you burn out, it actually feels like it's the end of the world. You don't know what to do most of the time, and it just really feels bad. I wish when I was a beginner, when I was just starting out, someone would have told me to just compare myself to my previous work, to my previous clients. Basically, only compare myself, to an old version of myself. Sometimes you just have to really define what success looks like for you and do the things that makes you happy while being able to achieve your dreams. Which leads me to actually number 6. Number 6 is actually asking for help. Once you become a social media manager, you'll never realize how much problems that you can get from your clients, from the accounts that you handle. You never realize how much problems that you have to solve. And sometimes even experts, they don't know all the answers. And this is the time that you actually ask for help. Ask help through Facebook groups, ask help from people that you've actually talked to before, from your fellow social media managers. You can even ask for help from your mentor. Not everyone has the right answers, and that's why it's okay to ask for help. Number 7 is keep the negative energy away. Not everyone has a good environment. Some people can be living with their family, but they are not the best support system. When that happens, I actually suggest to actually block your family, block anyone, block your friends, whoever they may be, block them so that you keep the negative energy away. There are no roadblocks anymore, and you can actually just put in the work and time to become a better version of you and to actually succeed in this journey of becoming a successful SMM. Having self-love is actually gonna be a big advantage to you because it's gonna be helping you become successful. Which leads me to number 8, on becoming your own fan. You don't need anyone to actually support you, to root for you, to clap for you. If you have your own self, if you know like in yourself that you can do this, you don't have to struggle. I got your back, we got your back. Like, if you have faith in your own self, in your own work, in every little thing, in everything that you do, it's going to be really hard for you to fail. Failure is inevitable, but having yourself as your own fan, it's gonna be really hard for you to struggle. Do you get what I mean? Like, it's a game changer. You're gonna be unstoppable. One thing that you can do is every time small little wins, you can always give small gifts to yourself. If you posted on a job site, that's a small win. If you closed a client, give yourself a small gift because of that. Celebrate every small and big achievements. Number 9 is you need to learn how to budget your money. A lot of SMMs, they go broke and even bankrupt sometimes, or they quit because they don't know how to handle the money. You can get so much income here as an SMM, but if you don't know how to handle your own money, it's going to be hard for you to actually live that dream life that you want freely. I actually suggest as a beginner you use this 60-40 rule. So once you get income, 60% of that income will go to your savings and 40% will go to your expense. So this can be like things that you want, transportation, makeup, whatever it is. I'm sorry, that was my cat. Number 10 is you have to be honest. If you're a beginner SMM, you can feel scared that the client won't choose you because you're new, you're unexperienced or inexperienced, and you might want to lie when it comes to them asking you about your experience with whatever that you're going to be offering. My honest tip is you have to actually tell the truth with your experience and whatnot, because this just really helps you get a good working client. A client will be so nice to you with your work if you're someone that they can trust. Trust is such a big factor when you're working with clients. You just really have to be honest. Just be honest, tell them the truth. As a beginner, of course, you don't have experience, and that's okay. Your first client can be the client that you can grow with. You can start with a small rate, and as you grow together, you're gonna get bigger rate. They'll just be happy that you were there from the start. Be honest, it's gonna help your relationship with the client. Let me know what videos you want to see next, and thank you guys for watching this video.